Hey, welcome to my new video. This is Kalam here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check website traffic using free method. So lots of method available on internet. So I will show you in this video is a really and a free way. So first of all, go to google.com, then go to any website you want to check. Just go to this website. Example of I want to check website SEO checker. This website. So just click this icon. Wow, you can see this website monthly visit of 5 lakh and 10,000 of people. So you can see this is a similar web extension. You need to go to google.com, then install similar web extension. It's absolutely free. So global rank are 90,574 and country rank 31,488. I'm going to scroll down and you can see top 5 countries. Most of people going on India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Cambodia. So direct are 51%. All details are available in this website. This is amazing, right? So if you want more video, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.